Welcome students to Sadeva classes. Today we are going to solve practice set 1.3 of similarity chapter Maths 2 Standard 10 Maharashtra Board. We have solved 1.1 and 1.3 of the similarity chapter. If you haven't watched those videos, the link is given in the description. You can go to the link and watch all the videos. Let's start. Question number 1. In the figure given, angle ABC is equal to 75 degree and angle ADC is equal to 75 degree. This angle ABC is equal to 75 degree and angle ADC is equal to 75 degree. State which two triangles are similar and by which test. Also write the similarity of these two triangles by a proper 1-to-1 correspondence. Now we have to show which two triangles are similar. We have to find out which two triangles are similar as well as the correspondence, 1-to-1 correspondence. Now we take two triangles. In triangle ABC and triangle ADC, ABC and triangle EDC. Angle ABC is equal to 75 degree, angle ADC is equal to 75 degree. Both the angles are of same measurement, therefore these two angles ABC and EDC are congruent. Then in these two triangles, one angle is common to both the triangles, this one C. Therefore angle ACB congruent angle ECD because it is a common angle between two triangles. This angle ACB is equal to or congruent to angle ECD, this one. Therefore these two triangles ABC and ADC are similar by AA test, and correspondence is ABC. This is the corresponding, this is the sign of correspondence. It is not appearing properly. Okay, ABC corresponding to ADC. Next question. Now you have given two triangles, so we have to find out are the triangles in the figure 1.56 similar. If yes, by which test. We have to find out whether these two triangles are similar, and if yes, then which test. Now triangle PQR and triangle LMN, only the measures of the sides are given. So what we are supposed to do, we'll take the ratios of these sides. So PQ upon LM is equal to 6/3, 2:1. Then this QR upon MN, 8/4, it is 2:1. And then PR upon LN is equal to 10/5 is equal to 2:1 or 2/1, 2/1. Therefore the ratio of the sides is equal, 2:1, 2:1, 2:1. Therefore these two triangles PQR is similar to triangle LMN by SSS test, that is side test. Next, question number 3 is given. In the figure 1.57, this is 1.57 figure, two poles of the height 8 meter and 4 meter are perpendicular to the ground. These are two poles. This is smaller one, height 4 meter, bigger one, height 8 meter. Now if the length of the shadow of smaller pole due to sunlight is 6 meter, then how long will be the shadow of the bigger pole at the same time? This shadow, smaller pole, its shadow is QR, that is 6 meter. So we have to find out X, that is the shadow of the bigger pole at the same time when it is for the smaller one, it is smaller pole, it is 6 meter. So we have to find out the value of X. Now see the poles PR and AB, these poles are always perpendicular to the ground. Therefore in triangle PQR and triangle ABC, in triangle PQR and triangle ABC, angle PRQ is equal to angle AC because both are 90 degree. Therefore these two triangles are similar. Generally two right angle triangles are similar. Therefore PQR similar ABC, then PR upon AB, not AB, it is AC here, a small mistake. So PR upon AC is equal to QR upon BC. This PR upon AC is equal to QR upon BC. Put the values. 4 upon 8 is equal to 6 upon x. Cross multiplied. 4 into x is equal to 6 into 8. So we get 6 8s are 48. 4 into x. So x is equal to 48 divided by 4. So you get x, value of x is 12. Therefore the shadow of the bigger pole will be 12 meter. So this x will be 12 meter at the same time. Okay, next question. In question number 4, this in triangle ABC, this is a bigger triangle ABC. AP is perpendicular to BC and BQ is perpendicular to AC. BQ is perpendicular to AC. So we have to prove that triangle CPA similar to triangle CQB. So triangle CPA similar triangle CQB we have to prove. Also we have to find out AP is equal to, we have to find out AC. AP is 7, BQ is 8 and BC 12 is given. So first what we will do, we will show or we will prove these triangles similar. So for proving this, in triangle CP and it should be AND. Okay, I'm also preparing lectures for Marathi medium people, so therefore small mistake. So in triangle CPA and triangle CQB, CPA is equal to 90, CQB is equal to 90. Therefore both the triangles, both the angles are congruent. So CPA congruent angle CQB, as well as there is a common angle ACP and BCQ. This one common angle. So ACP congruent BCQ, it is common angle. Therefore these two triangles CPA and CQB, these two triangles are similar. Correspondence is CPA CQB. Now we are taking the ratios of corresponding sides. CP upon CQ is equal to PA upon QB is equal to C upon CB. Now values are given AP, BQ, BC. Therefore AP, BQ and BC is given. So we won't consider the first fraction. Then PA upon QB is equal to CA upon CB. Put values 7, 8, CA and 12. PA is 7, QB is 8, CA and CB is 12. Cross multiply it. So you'll get 7, 12 7s are 84 is equal to CA into 8. So CA we get 84 divided by 8, that is 10.5. Next question number 5, we have given trapezium PQRS. So in a trapezium, one side one pair of the opposite side is parallel. So side PQ is parallel side SR. So this side PQ is parallel to side SR, and what is given, AR is equal to 5 AP, AS is equal to 5 AQ, and we have to prove that SR is equal to 5 PQ. We have to prove that SR is equal to 5 QP. So this SR is equal to 5 PQ. So given, we'll write all the given in this. Side PQ is parallel side SR, AR is equal to 5 AP, AS is equal to 5 AQ. Now we have to prove SR is equal to 5 PQ. Now what we are going to do in this particular sum, we are taking this smaller triangle PAQ and this bigger triangle RAS. See, in triangle PAQ and triangle RAS, angle PAQ congruent angle RS because they are opposite angle. This one, they are opposite angles, PAQ and RAS, as well as PQ is similar to PQ is parallel to SR. Therefore we get two pairs of alternate angles, that is PQA RSA and QPA SRA. So we get PAQ similar triangle RS, triangle PAQ similar triangle RS by AAA test, Therefore we are taking the ratios of their corresponding sides. PA upon RA is equal to AQ upon AS is equal to PQ upon RS. So AQ is as it is, take it as it is. Then AS is what? AS is 5 AQ. AS is 5 AQ. It is given. See, AS is 5 AQ. Therefore AQ lapses. What do we get? 1 upon 5 is equal to PQ upon RS. Cross multiply. RS is equal to 5 PQ. RS is equal to 5 QP, and it is proved. That is RS or SR is equal to 5 PQ. Next question. Question number 6. Same trapezium is given. Side AB is parallel to DC. Side AB is parallel to side DC, and diagonal AC and BD intersect at point O. This diagonal AC and diagonal BD intersect at O. So we have to find the value of OD. We have to find the value of OD, and other values are given: AB 20, DC 6, OB 15. Now, to find the value of OD, we have to prove these two triangles COD and AOB similar, and then we can find out the value of OD. So in these two triangles COD and AOB, COD congruent AOB opposite angles, CDO ABO alternate angles, DCO BAO they are also alternate angles, therefore they are congruent. So we get triangle COD, this triangle COD similar to triangle AOB by AAA test. Then we are taking the ratios of these two triangles, similar triangles. CO upon AO is equal to OB upon OD, OD upon OB is equal to CD upon AB. Put values. OD we have to find out. OB is 15, CD is 6 and AB is 20. Cross multiply, we get OD into 20 is equal to 6 into 15, that is 90. OD is equal to 90 divided by 20, and we get OD as 4.5. Question number 7. In this question we have given a parallelogram. So in a parallelogram, opposite sides, the pair of opposite sides is parallel to each other. So here AB parallel to DC and AD parallel to BC. Line DE intersects ray AB in point T. So we have to prove that DE into B is equal to C into T. See this DE into BE is equal to CE into TE, C into T. So we have to take these two triangles ECD and BET. Sorry, CED and BET. So in triangle CED and triangle BET, similar, we have to show these two triangles similar. Therefore, CED congruent BET opposite angles and ECD congruent EBT alternate angles. Here CED BET, these are opposite angles. This here one angle and here other angle, as well as this angle ECD and EBT, they are alternate angles. So we get triangle CED similar triangle BET by AA test. Then we are taking the ratios of this ratios of corresponding sides. C upon B is equal to AD upon AT is equal to CD upon BT. So AD means D is equal to T upon C. AD is written as DE upon TE is equal to C upon B. This ratio we have taken here, the fraction. Then cross multiply, D into B is equal to T into C or C into T. Hence it is proved. Question number 8 and question number 9, only 2 remains. See, 2 remain. Then in question number 8, in the figure, segment AC and segment BD intersect each other in the point P. This AC and BD intersect at P. We have to, and also what is given, AP upon CB is equal, AP upon CP is equal to BP upon DP. This AP upon CP is equal to BP upon DP. So we have to prove that these two triangles ABP similar triangle CDP, ABP similar triangle CDP, ABP and CDP, this one. So in these two triangles, APB congruent CPD opposite angle and AP upon CP is equal to BP upon DP, it is given. So we get 3 conditions to prove that these two triangles are similar. So triangle ABP similar triangle CDP by SAS test, that is side angle side test. This is side angle side test. Last question of this 1.3 practice set. Now we have given that in triangle ABC point D is on the BC such that angle BAC is equal to angle ADC. Angle BAC is equal to angle ADC. Then we have to prove that CS square is equal to CB into CD. CS square is equal to CB into CD. So what is given, we are writing it. What is proved, we are also writing. Then proof. We have to take these two triangles. The bigger triangle ABC and smaller triangle ADC or ACD. In triangle BAC and ADC, BAC congruent ADC it is given, as well as ACB and CDA, ACB and DCA is a common angle between those. This angle is common. Therefore, in triangle, therefore these two triangles BAC similar triangle ADC by AA test. Then take corresponding sides, ratio of corresponding sides. BA upon AD is equal to AC upon DC is equal to BC upon AC. Then AC is written as CA, DC is written as CD, BC is written as CB, and AC is written as CA. Cross multiply, CA into CA is equal to CD into CB. So we get CA square is equal to CB into CD. Thanks for watching this video. Do subscribe, like and share. If you haven't watched our previous videos, our link is given in the description. So do watch, again subscribe, share with your friends, and thank you for watching this video.